Mo din yung gawa sa mong hotel guys. Baklera kag 2 minutes train station na dayon. We had a quick stop at Akihabara for a quick breakfast before our next ride.
Guys, muna daw sa lain nga nasod. Makabalo daw ka may Pinoy. Manaw no. May nilingi so walay Pinoy.
Hey, look at this. Being a takoyaki fan in the Philippines, seeing how it is prepared here in Japan, it is so epic. Okay, hello guys, we're going to the subway. We're going to Ginza and we're on the subway. Alright, so we just surfaced from the subway. So we're at Ginza station right now. We're looking for the Uniqlo here.
Magbantay-bantay ka rin sa Ginza ba? Kaya naimang. Guys, kanang Sharo, wala imong ipangita din ng Uniqlo ba tanawa. Isa ka building Uniqlo tanan.